The House Justice Committee has set the timeline for the impeachment process against President Bongbong Marcos.
Next week, the panel will begin deliberations on whether the consolidated complaint is sufficient in form and substance.
But even before the proceedings kick off, Malacanang is already warning about its impact on the country, even the economy. Mobile journalist Arles Delos Santos with tonight's big story.
Verified complaint for impeachment against President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
2 impeachment complaints against the president are now deemed initiated after the referral to the House Committee on Justice. One was filed by Attorney Andre De Jesus and endorsed by Pusong Pinoy Party List Representative Jet Nisay last January 19. The second complaint came from the group Bayan and endorsed by the Makabayan Bloc.
I feel good kasi dapat lang naman talaga, alam naman namin talaga na walang dahilan para hindi mangyari ito. Kailangan pag-usapan na natin yung nilalaman mismo ng impeachment complaint, no, laban kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Dahil siya ang pangunahing responsable at direktang kasangkot sa walang kapantay na lawak at laki ng corruption dito sa flood control scandal.
The movement of the complaints to the Justice Panel also triggered the 1-year bar rule, which means no other case can be filed afterwards within a year. The timelines have been set. The committee in charge will deliberate on the ouster efforts against the president next week, February 2 to 4. The 2 complaints will be consolidated, then the determination if they are sufficient in form and substance.
We are not supposed to proceed to the succeeding step kung hindi makakapasa dun sa standard ng sufficiency in form and sufficiency in substance. Kailangan pa rin ng committee report, but we will not be able to reach the succeeding steps.
Sufficient in form means the documents are complete and properly verified, with complainants accountable for the submission. Sufficient in substance, on the other hand, should show the complaint with clear recital of facts with details of alleged violation, establishing the committee's jurisdiction act on it. What if these criteria are not met? There is that possibility of immediate dismissal of the complaint, and it will take another year before a new complaint can be filed against the president. Mr. Marcos will be given 10 days to answer the complaints against him, and the complainants 3 days to respond. Now, if the grounds are found sufficient in form and substance, cross-examination and presentation of evidence and witnesses can commence. President Marcos can be summoned to the hearing, but it will be up to him to attend or forego that part of the proceedings. Under the rules, the committee has to submit its findings and recommendations within 60 session days. Then, the House plenary votes yes or no to impeach the president. It takes 1/3 of the lower chamber or at least 106 votes to declare Marcos impeached. If that comes to pass, the articles of impeachment will be sent to the Senate, which will constitute an impeachment court. This early, Malacanang is warning of the impact of any move to unseat the president.
Ginagalang po ng Pangulo kung ano man po ang mga activities, ginagawa at mga desisyon po ng House of Representatives. So hayaan po natin ang proseso na umandar na naaayon sa batas. Ang anumang pagsasampa ng impeachment complaint ay hindi lang ang Pangulo maapektuhan, kundi mismo ang bansa at ang ekonomiya.
Kapatid Arles Delos Santos, we are One News.